Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances to prepare delicious meals for your family? Say hello to the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven, your new kitchen superstar. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve deep into why this extra-large toaster oven and air fryer is a game-changer in the culinary world. The Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven takes cooking to the next level with its true surround convection technology. Imagine having up to 10 times the convection power of a traditional full-size oven. This means faster, crispier, and juicier results that will leave your taste buds dancing with delight. No more endless waiting for your meals to cook, as this appliance slashes preheat times by up to 90 seconds and cooks up to 30% faster than your average oven. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven boasts a whopping 8 cooking functions, making it a true kitchen multitasker. From air fry and whole roast to air roast, bake, pizza, broil, toast, and bagel, it does it all. This 1,800-watt powerhouse is ready to tackle any recipe you throw its way. Cooking for a crowd has never been easier. This XL countertop oven offers 2-level cooking without the hassle of rotating your dishes. It can accommodate a 5-pound chicken and a sheet pan of vegetables simultaneously, 2 12-inch pizzas, or even a 12-pound turkey. Say goodbye to overcrowded ovens and unevenly cooked meals. For those health-conscious folks, the air fry function is a game changer. It delivers up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying, without sacrificing flavor and crispiness. We tested it against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries, and the results were astonishing. Navigating the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven is a breeze, thanks to the digital display handle. It's like having your personal sous chef. The oven rack positions light up based on your selected function, and when the door is open, the settings freeze to prevent any accidental changes. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean, with a removable crumb tray. Are you an avid baker? You're in for a treat. This countertop oven delivers up to 50% more even baking results compared to a leading countertop oven. Your cookies, cakes, and pastries will come out perfectly every time. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or preparing meals for the week, the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven has you covered. You can make 2 sheet pan meals simultaneously, making entertaining or meal prep a breeze. Plus, it comes with 2 sheet pans, 2 wire racks, an air fry basket, a roast tray, and a crumb tray, so you're ready to cook up a storm right out of the box. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven is a kitchen powerhouse that will revolutionize the way you cook. Its true surround convection, unmatched versatility, XL capacity, and smart features make it a must-have for any home chef. Whether you're looking to create healthier meals with the air fry function, or impress guests with perfectly baked goods, this appliance does it all. Investing in the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven is an investment in your culinary creativity and convenience. So, why wait? Elevate your cooking game today and experience the joy of effortless, delicious meals with this incredible appliance.